Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to show you a walk-around startup and a drive video on a 1966 Pontiac Lemans Convertible. Now, this car is red, as you can see, with red interior. I bought this car from a friend of mine, sight unseen. And everything I get from him is just gorgeous cars. Anyway, no exception on this car. Got it in here and just very, very excited to show everyone this car. Beautiful paint, beautiful interior, just a all-around gorgeous little 66 Le Mans convertible. Check out that gorgeous red interior. Bucket seats, factory console. Black convertible top is brand new. Well, looks brand new anyway. Gorgeous door jamb paint. I'm really excited about this car. I love this car. Just way, way, way nice. We're going to price this car at $49,900. I think that's a great value on this car, great price. You'd be hard-pressed to find a nicer one anywhere, I think. And if it was a 66 GTO convertible, you might buy a rolling chassis for that. Under the hood, very, very clean, very presentable. Chrome valve covers and air cleaner. Does have an Edelbrock aluminum intake that has been painted blue to match the Pontiac colors. Holley carburetor. It's got a newer radiator. Aluminum catch can. Power steering, power brakes, chrome alternator. Very, very nicely detailed engine compartment. So just a very gorgeous car. And check out the paint. Look down the sides of this thing. That about tells the whole story there. Check out the door gaps, front and back. Got a little bit of a little dirt, a little smudge on it there. I was wiping on it. There's the trunk. And check out this way. So all the panel fitment is very, very nice, as you can tell. Check out the inside of the trunk quick. There's about 6 or 7 keys on this ring, so I'll find the right one eventually, I promise. Yep, there we go. There's the inside of the trunk. Spare tire, jack. Here's your boot. Fire extinguisher in there. Jack instructions. I'd call this original paint in the jams. There's an original stamp on the quarter and an original stamp on this quarter too. So I'd say all this paint on the insides of the trunk and inside the jams there is all original, which is I think is pretty cool. Leave those alone, and just that way you can well preserved. Jams have been done on the car itself. Does have a power top. Turn signal left, turn signal right. Horn. Radio. Blower motor. Wipers. I'm going to tell you what, folks, this is an awesome car. Cigarette lighter works. The clock works. What a good car. My goodness. I love it. Haven't even driven it down the road yet. Plate lights, tail lights. sounds great, looks great. There's no bubbles or blistering down on the bottom side of the car. All four of your headlights are working. I'll turn the dims on, and then we'll check the turn signals quick. I thought I had the turn signal on, but I must not have turned it on. There's the left side. You see that spot I missed when I was dusting it, can't you? I need another hand, and then I can get that little smudge off. There's the right side. Looks like it might have a little bit of maybe a ground. It didn't seem like it was as bright as the other side, so this side is back here, but the front didn't seem as bright. Let's take this thing out on the highway real quick, take her down the road. I'm excited to drive it. So it's very, very nice under the hood too. Very presentable. This whole car is just, I'll be honest with you, all we did to this car when we brought it back in here was just strictly just give it a wipe down real quick. It was this nice when it came, so. Everybody was honest and all the cars were as good as this car, make my life a lot easier. Down the road just like you would expect, just like a dream. Look at that thing. 65 right down the highway. Man, I might not go back. If it was a little bit warmer today, I might just head on, just keep going west for a few hours and just enjoy this thing. It's got a 326 in it, folks. It's 326 automatic. It is a factory 326 car, but don't let that fool you. These Pontiac engines aren't like a lot of the engines. They always have a lot more power, a lot more torque than anything else. We'll pull in here quick, and I'll get out and walk around the car with you real fast. Give you a little idea of what it looks like out in the sun. My little roadside park turnaround. What a great car. Whoever gets this thing is going to be in heaven, because look at that thing. $49,900, 66 Lemans Convertible. I think that's too cheap, especially with the condition of this thing. Give us a call, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day. So give us a call if you want to put your name on this beautiful 66 Pontiac Lemans Convertible. Don't want your neighbor buying it. You'd be awful disappointed when you go look at it. There we go. You'll say, man, I should have called before he did and bought that car. That thing's gorgeous. 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.